Hey you guys, it's Heather, and today I am back and I don't have my ring light on because it's bright and stuff, and I'm trying to get this trying to get my stuff situated. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sorry about that. It's Heather, and I'm back today, and I am going to show you my two Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Boxes that I got. I ordered the mini and the deluxe, which was the mini was $25, and you get 4 items, but technically 5, but they consider the single shadows as 1 item. And then I got the deluxe one, which was the third biggest one, and it was $100. First time I ever had Jeffree Star mystery boxes, so let's get into the small one. And there's yellow tissue paper. And this is what my box looks like. Okay, the first thing that I am pulling out of here is the Star Ranch exclusive lippy. And it looks like this. It's an actually really pretty color. Might as well swatch it. I'm keeping everything. I didn't shake it up, but that's what it looks like. It's a pretty color. I'm not going to swatch everything, but I'm just going to show you. Then I have 2 singles. One that is Undertaker, and that's out of the Blue Blood palette, which I have, and Suck, which is out of the Jawbreaker, which I have. But hey, I'm going to put them in, I know I got a Z palette and the deluxe, so I'm going to put them in the Z palette and keep them. The next thing that I have is the gloss, and it's in Mouthful, and I don't have this gloss, so I'm keeping it. I already opened these boxes, to be honest with you, because as soon as they came, my daughter's like, I want the box, because it came in a big pink box, and no, I didn't win a pink ticket or anything, so. Let's see if I can get this stupid thing open. There we go. And this is Mouthful. And I'll swatch the lip products, I guess. Just like a shimmery, pinky, nudie color. It's pretty. I like this formula in the glosses. And then the last thing in this mini box is Armored Truck eyeliner, and this is the one that I was hoping to get. But then I opened it and it was like broken because of the heat. But it's a pretty color. It's like multi-chrome. I just had it on me. Hold on. Let's see if I can get it to swatch. It's a little bit, you guys can't tell, but it's like duochrome-y. And I'm trying not to break it anymore because it was broke to begin with, and his boxes are, all sales are final and stuff, and I don't feel like messing with customer service, but it's usable still, so. Packaging is really nice on it. And that is what I got in my mini box. Was it worth $25 to me? Yeah, the mini box was worth it because the single shadows are like $10. The gloss is $18. The liquid lip is $18. I think the eyeliner is $18. So I got my money's worth. And let's see if I can get this back in the box. Not sure why I ain't messing with that. Okay, that was the mini box. Next is the deluxe, which I was disappointed in. Not gonna lie, I already opened it. I was disappointed in it. There's yellow paper. Come off the yellow paper. I was hoping to get the piggy bag from the Shane Dawson collection, but I got this. But I'll use it as a purse, like a crossbody purse. It could be used as a fanny pack or a crossbody, and I'm gonna use it as a crossbody. It's the green crocodile skin, like. Nice. I'm not mad at it. And the next thing I'm pulling out of the box is Calabasas Lippy. I don't have this one. Now I do. I'm happy. Let's see if I can get it open. It looks like this. And it honestly looks kind of like that. I'm not going to lie. Okay, let's see. Swatcheroo above it. Pretty similar. The top one's a little bit redder. No, well, I was hoping for a crazy color because I like his crazy colored stuff, but I got this and I'm happy. ain't too mad at it. Next thing I'm pulling out is the pink grapefruit blur lip scrub. I have one that's open that's in watermelon soda or something. It was a summer collection. I have one I'm still using, but it looks like this. It smells like lemon peels or like grapefruit peels. I'm not big on grapefruit, but I will use this. I like his lip scrubs. I'm gonna put this back in the box. Next I'm pulling out is 3 eyeshadows. One is O Positive, which is out of the Blood Sugar palette. Flourishing, I'm not sure if that's out of Blood Money or if it's out of... I'm not sure if that's out of Blood Money or if that's Blue Blood. I think that's Blue Blood shadow. That's Flourishing. And then Extraction, which is out of the Blood Sugar. Which I'm sorry, I'm not pulling all this stuff out. And then the next thing that I have is another The Gloss. They wanted to give me the Orgy collection. Glosses, I guess. That's what I got. And this one is in beaded glass, yeah. And I didn't have this one. So now I have 3 of the glosses from that collection. And it looks like this. And it's actually a really pretty color. It's pretty. Looks like that. I like the smell of these. And that was beaded glass. It was pretty. Then we got the Z palette. Or the J palette. I'm going to say it this. I'm going to call this a J palette because it's Jeffree Star. And it's heavy duty. It feels good. Not sure how to open it, but it looks like this. And this is what I was really excited about. I've been wanting to try one of his lip balms, and this is the Tinted Lip Balm in Bloodstain. And if you hear a door opening, it is my daughter. Just trying to get this filmed without her. And it looks like the lip ammunition, but it's not. And she's gonna knock my camera over. And it looks like this. I'm going to swatch it right here on my hand. Just a little bitty swash of color. It's heavy. It's better packaging than what the lip ammunition packaging was. So, it looks like that. It's so cute. I like it. Doesn't really have a scent. And the last thing in the box that I have to show you is the... Y'all have already seen it. Everyone's seen it by now, but it's the Star Ranch palette. And yes, I was gonna get the premium box, but I was like, screw it. I want to see if I can get a the piggy bag, but I didn't get the piggy bag, and that does feel like wood. That's weird. This is what the palette looks like. It's Star Ranch. Here, Darren, you want to touch it?
It feels
Yeah, it feels like wood. And I've heard some people say that this isn't as good quality as his other palettes. It's heavy duty, the shadows, and it's cute. It's got a pink yak and a pink horse, and it's a Star Ranch on it. And it's got the little pistols, revolvers at the top. Everyone calls them guns, and they're actually revolvers. They are a form of gun, but they're revolvers. And this is what it looks like. This is the color story. What lipstick? You can look at it, don't open it. And the color story does kind of put me in the mind of Mini Controversy, but I looked at that and looked at this, and it's a little bit different, but the shades are Yak Farm, Allies, Open Range, Casper, Montana, Wyoming, Star Creek, Old Jeff, Grand Prismatic, and Winter Wind. And it actually has like the wood grain texture on it, like my palette does. I don't know, it looks like it's got wood grain textured on it. But that is the palette. And this was everything I got out of my 2 mystery boxes. Am I disappointed? Yes and no. I'm not mad. I'm happy to have what I got. I was hoping that he would put a bigger palette in the Deluxe, or put a mirror in the Deluxe or something, but it just didn't happen. I got a bag instead, and I got this, so. Yep. My daughter has a pink box that came in on her head. But this is all I had to show with you guys. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm doing good. Been a busy past week and a half. My grandpa had a heart attack, had to have surgery, was home from the hospital already. He's doing good. And my cousin, he fell, hit his head, had bleeding on the brain, was in a coma, but he's awake finally, so they got the bleeding stopped and stuff, so it's just been a hectic couple of weeks. So I guess I will catch you guys later, and I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you guys later. Love from Missouri.
Bye.